Good day, everybody. Today is June 4th, 11:46 a.m. We are now going to look at something that maybe a lot of people don't know about, but I'm going to give you my opinion on this. This is a big deal. All right, so first of all, let me just say about this website here, 10ztalk.com. Please be careful of it. It looks kind of spammy, but you don't need to visit it if you don't want to. But I'm just giving you the highlight of this article and the headline that caught my attention. Check it out. Kenya's largest power provider plans to deliver access to geothermal power to Bitcoin miners. Now, imagine this. A few days ago, New York State just banned outright crypto mining. Okay? Texas promoting it. But going back a few months ago, back to, let's say, 6 months ago in January, February, China decided to ban crypto mining. Why? Not because of the environment, because it's against their financial system. It's a threat. So they got rid of it. So Kazakhstan was supposed to be the next country to take those mining operations. They refused. And then the other one that took it was Texas, or not Texas specifically, in the U.S. But now you got New York State banning it. And this is not a good thing, and I say that because this is the future of money, okay, for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and whatever else, okay? These mining operations are critical for that. Now, are they burning, taking up a lot of environmental? Yeah, it's not good. But if there's a dollar involved, they'll figure it out and be able to innovate. So what have they done? Well, in Texas, I don't know if you heard, but a lot of American energy companies like Exxon, when they flare off their oil, burn it off, they're at the same time during that process generating energy. From that, they're now mining Bitcoin. Pretty good, pretty innovative, if you ask me. If they're going to burn off the energy, might as well use it to do something productive. Mine Bitcoin. Makes sense. Saudi Arabia's getting in on it as well. One of the interesting ones, I think that started it, was in El Salvador. Because when you look at the ability of El Salvador, what they call the volcano bonds, they thought, we got volcanoes, let's use that energy to mine Bitcoin. Gee, that's smart. Okay, so now you got the climate control, climate change folks, which I do believe climate change does exist, without a doubt. But at the same time, when you have global competition for something innovative like mining Bitcoin, which is a huge deal, why would you reject it outright in New York State while you got Texas that will gladly get involved and promote it? The problem is that in the States, some radical president may, I'm not going to say, but any day they could say, no, Texas can't do this as well. So the whole country, because they want to get in on the climate change thing, can't do it. So it's suicidal from that point of view if there's innovative ways to generate energy for Bitcoin mining. So this is now the new threat. Kenya, because they have a geothermal, so far does not have any cryptocurrency mining farms. Do you think a country like in Africa will want to jump on this? Of course they will, and this will be a boon for them. They believe that country is reaching out to Bitcoin miners about energy purchases that are situated in U.S. and Europe. Oh, you're getting rejected, come to Kenya, we'll take your business. That's not a good thing for U.S. or Europe, because mining, like the olden days when they were mining for gold, let's say, or whatever else, that was called economic activity. So now the new digital mining comes along, which is now Bitcoin and whatever else. You're now indirectly kicking out that economic activity out of your country. So now other countries like Kenya are coming along, or El Salvador is another example, really want that economic activity. So not smart, but it's good for Kenya. and other countries like this. Kenyan is a leading supplier of electricity in the country and claims to have 86% green energy derived from renewable resources, including hydro and wind, besides geothermal, while the rest is thermal. Okay, think about that. So you have a country in Africa that is generating 80% green energy, 86% green energy from renewable resources. So how is it a Western country, first world I might add, cannot get that kind of number, but yet Kenya can? Okay, that's pretty innovative. Is not disclosed the details of the surplus capacity surplus that will be issued to Bitcoin miners. Okay, so let's see here. Plan to have miners set up an energy park at the company's main geothermal power station in, I'm not going to say it because I'll destroy it, the name. I don't want to insult them. 123 kilometers from Nairobi. This is innovative, man. So, tackling climate change has become the biggest conversation after China's biggest crackdown on cryptocurrency mining firms. So, you got a green energy, 86% in Kenya by this company, Kengen. And they're doing it. Okay, why these entities may not have shifted their base entirely. Many did friendlier jurisdiction in the US and other parts of Europe. Kenya, for one, does not host any mining firms. Estimated potential 10,000 megawatts of geothermal energy capacity makes the Eastern African national an ideal hub. That's massive, man. That is massive. So I think this is good for Kenya, other countries that have this, and they're generating green energy from what I'm reading right here. But meanwhile, we in the West get mired in the debate of green or not. But this country's got it, at least Kenyan's stating they do. And now they're offering crypto mining. So now their economic activity grows. Just something to think about. Go over to quantlabs.net/banking while we in the West are, well, I'm not going to say, not growing as quickly as we should. But you go to this site, quantlabs.net/banking. I got a 2-hour video. Fill out the form. It shows you how to really save money, get a return, and have your own bank. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.